Hey millionaires, this is Jacoby again, also known as the coolest nerd ever. Make sure you pay close attention to this video. We're going to be talking about one of the most important things on your website. It's your navigation links. Your navigation links are your high priority links that you have at the top of your website that people click to navigate around your website. So we're going to get right into it. You ready? I'm excited. Let's do it. All right, so I'm just going to show you for reference purposes the navigation link on this particular website. We've already entered in options, but I'm going to show you guys how you do drop down links, how you can edit the links, and how you can actually direct where the link goes. All right, so let's get right to it. So for example purposes, I like to keep two screens up. I like to keep the front end of the website up and then keep the back end of the website up at the same time. So it's easy for me to click to the front end of the website and just hit refresh. So right now we're in the back end, right? So in the back end, I'm going to go to the actual navigation. And the only way that I can see the navigation is by selecting the option that says online store, right? So I know you're probably wondering, why are these different things grayed out? Because right now I don't have access to those options. So I'm just going to select online store. And then once I select online store, this option navigation pops up. All right. So this option navigation pops up. All right. So I would select navigation. All right, and then once I select navigation, it shows me all the options that are at the top of my website, right? So here is a pro tip. Do not select add menu. No, no, no. Do not select add menu. Only edit the current menus that are in your website. So you have two menus. You have your main menu here at the top, and then scrolling down at the bottom, you have your footer menu. And if you notice, we have main menu, footer menu, the exact same thing. Privacy policy, refund, shipping, privacy policy, refund, shipping. All right, so that's easy enough. To change the main menu, I select main menu. And I just wanted to go back up. As you see, exactly what this says here in the back office is exactly what shows on the front office, all right? So in order to create a new menu link, you have to select add menu item, right? I like to click link and I don't do name first. The reason why I don't do name first is because when I click link, I can automatically select the collection, or I can select the product, I can select the page, you know, a policy, whatever I want to select. And when I do that, it's going to automatically register the name just from clicking the link. So if I select jumpsuits and bodysuits, it's going to automatically name it jumpsuits and bodysuits, right? So you can edit the name if you don't want it to have that name. So if you just wanted to say suits, you could do that, but it'll still link to the collection jumpsuits and bodysuits, right? So don't worry about filtering collection with tags. This is a very advanced feature. No need to focus on that because I don't do it, and I have multiple six-figure stores and I don't do this. All right. So because I changed the name, I would have to retype it in all the way over, or I can delete it here, click X, go back to collections, and then I can select another collection. All right. So now it's there, bags and purses. So when you do it like this, it's going to be side by side. When you add a menu item like this, it's side by side. So even though it's showing vertically down here, it's technically saying all of these options are going to be side by side. But if you want something to be a drop down, you'd have to grab here where those little 6 dots are at, grab it and drag it to the right under the product you want it to drop down. And you'll notice that this little arrow pops up. Now it's letting you know that you can now do a drop down. So now that's dropped down under there, right? Now, once you get the first item in the drop down, you don't have to select this add menu item anymore. You can actually just add it right here. You see, because it's the same thing, add menu item. So now I can add a new collection under shop. So maybe I want dresses, right? So I'm going to save that just to show you guys what it looks like. So when I save it, I go back to the website. You have to select refresh. Now when I select refresh the screen, it's going to register the changes that I just made. And now look at my drop down options, guys. So now I have the drop down options all because I did it in navigation. If I want to remove those drop down options, I can just select delete, remove it, or I can grab it and I can drag it away. But if I just try to drag it here to the left, it doesn't register because it's kind of stuck. So something that I learned is that I pull it under, or maybe I pull it above. So let me grab it. Oh, so there we go. I let it go. So I put it above, and now it allows me to put it back in place. All right. So I'm just going to delete this one because I don't need that. All right. So guys, this is important to know how to do your navigation menu. So if you have an option like shop all, and I have shop all connected to all products. So this is where you connect it at. So you select products, and then you can do one product or you can do all products. So this made sense because the link says shop all products. So if I didn't want all of these options, again, I'm going to show this one more time. If I didn't want all of these options, all I have to do is drag them all up under here. I can just drag them all here. Boom. Drag them all here. And I'm just going to save that. So now I just put like 6 drop downs under shop all. I have to make sure that I hit refresh. All right, you see all my links disappeared, and then now they're all under the drop down here. All right, so that's how you update your navigation, guys. Simple enough. Now I just have to take them off of here. Yeah, so I gotta kind of play around with it to take them off. But now you just, organize it back, and that's how you do your navigation. All right, that's gonna be the end of this video. This should show you how to do your navigation. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, actually, I'm gonna do one more refresh just to show you. Save it. Now that it's back set, I'm gonna refresh it. And we are back. All right, that's the end of the video. I left out a very important part. So if you want to actually do external links on your navigation, you can also do that. For example, if you're a stylist and you wanted to have an external link to your booking page, or if you're a course creator and you wanted to have an external link to your course, I'm going to show you how to do that next. The same exact process. You select online store, you go to navigation, you select main menu. All right, and once we get into the main menu, we're going to see the links that are currently at the top of your website, which are these links right here, right? But again, if I'm a stylist and I wanted to set up my Acuity scheduling link, Acuity scheduling, all right, I may have an account, so let me see if I have an account and I'll show you. See if I can log into my account. All right. So I'm going to log into my Acuity scheduling. So I'm in the back office of my Acuity scheduling. And you see where it says scheduling page link? All right. I'm just going to copy my link, my scheduling page, copy that. And then I'm going to go back to my website. And for whatever reason, the website timed out. Not sure why. All right. For whatever reason, it's taking its sweet time. All right, so all I have to do is go back to navigation, and then I select main menu, and then I'm going to hit add menu item, and I'm just going to drop that link. So I'm using Control V because I have a PC. If you have a MacBook, you can use Command V. So Control V, and then it shows me the link, and I have to click it to lock it in. Right now, here's a key point. This is going to look crazy showing on the front page of your website. Name. So you don't want your name to show your booking link. The link is there. You want to just put book me. All right, and I'll hit add. So now that book me link, if I hit save and I go to the front of the website, now the booking link will show at the top of the website. And I click book me. Now look what it does. It reroutes me to the booking page, right? Because we just entered it in the navigation. So that's how you do it. So if you have like a course, if you're using a course and you're using maybe something like Teachable, right? If you have that, you would go into your Teachable account and you would grab your Teachable link. So you don't use Teachable's URL because that's their URL. You would log in and you would grab your own URL and you would paste it, right? So you basically, this is just for an example. That's not my real URL. I would just go here, add menu link, paste it, and then I would put course, log in. All right. So that's how you do external links, and then you hit save. So I'm going to delete those two for examples. All right, so that's the end of the video.